Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to reset your iPhone camera settings. All right, let's begin. If you're experiencing camera issues or want to restore the default camera settings, you'll need to reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, open the Settings app, then go to General. Next, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. From the available options, tap Reset All Settings. This process resets your system settings, including your camera settings, back to their default values. It does not delete your personal data, so your photos, videos, apps, messages, and other files will remain safe. However, keep in mind that resetting all settings will remove your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, reset your keyboard dictionary, restore the default home screen layout, and other system preferences. You'll need to set these options up again after the reset is complete. Once the reset finishes, your iPhone will restart automatically. After it turns back on, open the camera app and check if the issue has been resolved. So that's basically how you can reset your iPhone camera settings. That's it for this video. Thanks.